Okay, so here's how it looks now on southbound lane and northbound lane of Roxas Boulevard. Okay, pretty much the water is just up to thigh deep right now. Both sides, northbound and southbound lane, is underwater. And if you can see on the side, the waves are hitting very hard right now, coming from the Manila Bay. And only a few brave motorists would dare pass here right now. As you can see, based on that guide walking beside his bike, that's how deep the water is. And it's not showing any signs of abating right now, so water can't go anywhere because of how deep the Manila Bay is. Here's a look on the other side. Right there, that's the US Embassy grounds right there, and look at how deep the water is. The cars on the sides, as you can see, submerged, almost half the tires underwater. Look at that.